Hi friends, so after patiently kneading, it became, what's the word? Like not sticky anymore to my hands. And look, I'm gonna do a little ASMR for you guys. Let's do that. You hear that sound, guys?
So this is the slime, fluffy slime that you made on your first video, yeah?
Yeah. So cool.
Wow.
It stretches a lot.
Okay, you want to stretch it? Yeah.
Yep. Stretches so much.
Wow. Show it, yeah. Put it down. Wow.
And plus, you don't even need a flat surface to poke. This slime has lots of features. Like,
That's, I think, is that your first successful fluffy slime?
yes. I had another one, but now it's like hard.
It became hard, yeah?
Yeah. If you want to see that, go check out my Instagram. So,
Wow. Yeah. It's so beautiful when you do like that, yeah. Like it looks like an ice cream or something.
this is so soft.
And then maybe after a few days, we can also show the transparent one. Yeah, how
Yes.
transparent it is.
Yeah.
And now, friends, she cannot stop playing.
It's so soft. Okay, guys, I think that's enough. Thank you, guys. Bye.